Hello students, start with a part second, first lesson. The name is a microprocessor and organization of 8085. First of all, discussing the introduction. The formerly digital computers were large expensive machines. Now size and shape of these machines has been changed in past few years due to this new device, microprocessor, also named as a MU-P in bracket MU-P, means microprocessor सिम्बॉल आपण MU-P ने सुद्धा डिनोट करतो आणि MU-P ने सुद्धा आपण डिनोटेड करतो. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, द microprocessor is an IC that contains much of the processing capabilities of a computer. It is small but extremely complex LSI device that is a programmable. There are many companies which are manufacturing these microprocessor chips with different technologies. Means more than company ने different microprocessor create केलेले असतात, त्याच्यात different chips आपण बघितलेल्याच आहेत. Next, most popular companies in the manufacturing of MU-P are Intel, Motorola. Intel and Motorola हे कंपनीचे नाव तुम्ही ऐकलेलेच आहे. Next, this chapter describe general features of a microprocessor. मीन्स आपल्याला ह्या लेसन मध्ये जे मायक्रोप्रोसेसरचे जे जनरल फीचर्स आहेत ते आपल्याला डिस्कस करायचे आहे. इव्हॉल्यूशन ऑफ अ मायक्रोप्रोसेसर. इव्हॉल्यूशन ऑफ मायक्रोप्रोसेसर मीन्स देर आर 5th generation, first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation and last one is a 5th generation. Next, evolution of a microprocessor and detailed study of a very popular microprocessor chip Intel 8085-A as a basic programmable model of a microprocessor. Next point, evolution of a microprocessor. In less than 15 years, we have seen 5 generations of microprocessor. Before the year 2000 AD, a number of microprocessor is used will extend the population of people on earth. The microprocessor is a 20-year-old child of the integrated circuit and digital computer. म्हणजे इव्होल्यूशन ऑफ मायक्रोप्रोसेसर मध्ये त्यांनी जनरेशन 5 जे क्रिएटेड केले तर ते जे पॉप्युलेशन असतं पीपलचं अर्थवरचं जे पीपल ऑफ द अर्थ असते it use will extend the population of a people on earth. नेक्स्ट आपण जे जनरेशन आहे 5th ते स्क्रीन फॉर्म मध्ये डिस्कस करूया. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, फर्स्ट जनरेशन. It is a 4-bit microprocessor. The first microprocessor introduced in the market was Intel 4004, a 4-bit PMOS microprocessor in 1971 by design by scientist Fagin. Means first generation 4-bit microprocessor यूज केलेला असतो and 1971 ला तो डिझाइन केला गेला. नेक्स्ट, दिस MU-P was in fact designed to be used in calculator. It was not powerful and was for general purpose computing. In 1972, Intel introduced the 8008, the first general purpose 8-bit MU-P with the development of LSI technology with 45 instruction. Means 8008 ला 45 instructionचा त्यांनी 8-bitचा जो इंटेल कंपनीला जो लागणार होता मायक्रोप्रोसेसर तो डेव्हलप केला. नेक्स्ट, Intel introduced its successor that is a 8080. Simultaneously, Intel's competition inspired by the earlier design of 8080. Next, introduce new UPS. Next company Motorola introduced the 6800. मीन्स इंटेल कंपनीने 8080 चा मायक्रो प्रोसेसर यूज केला अँड देन मोटोरोलाने 6800 चा मायक्रो प्रोसेसर फर्स्ट जनरेशनला यूज केलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट सेकंड जनरेशन इन 1974 सेकंड जनरेशन इट इज अ 8-bit मायक्रो प्रोसेसर. मीन्स सेकंड जनरेशन हा 8-bit मायक्रो प्रोसेसर यूज करतो. In 1974, the successor to the 8080 and 6800 were introduced the Z18, 8085 from Intel, 6809 from Motorola, etc. In 1976, 8085 was introduced. These MUPS were 8-bit microprocessor. The development of MUPS has been in the direction towards a complete microcomputer system with a CPU, ROM, RAM, clock, I/O ports all in single package. For example, Intel 8048, 8028, Motorola MC6801 etc. मीन्स सेकंड जनरेशनमध्ये इंटेल कंपनी अँड मोटोरोला कंपनीने सेम ॲज अ 6800चाच मायक्रो प्रोसेसर इथे यूज केलेला आहे. अँड देन द वेअर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग युजेस NMOS टेक्नॉलॉजी. मीन्स सेकंड जनरेशनमध्ये NMOS टेक्नॉलॉजी त्यांनी जनरेशन केली. दिस टेक्नॉलॉजी ऑफर faster speed and higher density than PMOS. TTL compatibility means second generation मध्ये त्यांनी TTL compatibility सुद्धा त्यांनी यूज केलेली आहे. Then some of the popular processor we are also use Motorola's 6800 and 6809, Intel 8085 and Zilog Z18 used in a second generation. Next one is a third generation microprocessor. It is a 16-bit processor. First point, त्याचा पिरियड किती होता 1978 to 1979. मीन्स it is only 1 year this processor. Next point, 16-bit processor designed using HMOS technology and then provided with a 40, 48 and 64 pins. Next, high speed and very strong processing capability, easier to program, allow for a dynamically relocatability programs and size of internal registers. Processor has multiplied divide arithmetic hardware. Physical memory space is a 1 to 16 bits available in a processor and has segmented address and virtual memory features. Means the other major direction of a MUP evolution has been towards one which performs all functions of a mini computer, which can work with the words, bytes, string of a character and instruction cycle of a 1 microsecond. Means 1 microsecond मध्ये ते bytes, string and words असे ते यूज करत होते. Next, 1978 Intel introduced its high performance 16-bit microprocessor, the 8086, now called is a IAPX 86. And next, it was introduced by Druz Renewal and other scientists This third generation memory space was a 64 kilobytes and number of I/O ports grew from 256 each in the 8080 to 64K each in the 8086. Other features included efficient higher level language addressing full arithmetic execution in 29K transistor, mean 20K transistor than using in third generation. The 8086 was followed by Zilog Z8000 in 1979, Motorola's 68000 in 1980, and for example Intel 8086, 8088, Zilog means 8086, 8088 हे काय आहे तर मायक्रो प्रोसेसर आहे. त्यांनी ते पोर्ट नंबर दिलेला आहे की त्या इयरला ते डिझाईन केलेले आहे. अँड ऑल ऑफ दिस आर 16 बिट प्रोसेसर अँड यूज इन अ थर्ड generation. Next one is a fourth generation. It is a 32-bit microprocessor. In 1981, Intel has introduced a first 32-bit microprocessor, the 80386, which can address a physical memory of a 4 GB. Other 32-bit MUP announced 1982 has a HP 32. This era marked the beginning of a 32 bits microprocessor. Intel introduced 432, which was a bit problematic. A clean Intel 80386 and is a launch. Next, Motorola introduced 68020 or 68030. They were fabricated using low power version of the HMOS technology called HCMOS. Motorola introduced 32-bit RISC processor called MC8800. This is a processor and used in a 4th generation. Means 4th generation हा 32 bits आहे. And then तो 1981 to up to 1995 इयरली तो त्यांनी लॉन्च केलेला आहे. अँड देन यूज सुद्धा त्यांनी केलेला आहे इंटेल अँड मोटोरोला कंपनीने. नेक्स्ट लास्ट वन इज अ 5th generation. It is a 64-bit microprocessor. Intel made up a improvement in a microprocessor designed to provide greatest speed and to run the system on new OS like a Unix. The processor in this generation is generally called by a name Pentium, may be called as a 80586, followed by the Pentium 2nd, Pentium 3rd and Pentium 4, etc. First point, employ decoupled superscalar processing. Second point, chip carry on chip functionality are improvement in the speed of a memory and I/O devices. Third one is a design surpassed 10 million transistor per chip. मीन्स एका चिपला त्यांनी 10 मिलियन ट्रान्झिस्टर यूज केलेले आहे, मीन्स डिझाईन केलेले आहे. नेक्स्ट, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ अ 64 बिट प्रोसेसर. मीन्स 15 जनरेशनला त्यांनी 64 बिटचा प्रोसेसर त्यांनी लॉन्च केला. अँड लास्ट वन इज अ इंटेल लीड्स द शो विथ अ पेंटियम अँड ड्यूल अँड क्वाड कोर प्रोसेसर वर्किंग विथ अ MUP to 3.5 GHz speed. Used in a 5th generation in 64-bit processor. Used in a 3.5 GHz speed. Thank you students. Keep watch my video.